There is a lot of uncertainty right now. And what do you do about that? You have a crawfish boil. Let me explain. There's a few things in life that we're guaranteed: death, change, and uncertainty. All of those are stressful. All of them are uncertain. And there's two things you do with uncertainty. First, well, you need to have a vision and you need to have goals. You need to reverse engineer it and come up with strategies, make a plan, pursue that plan, adapt along the way, measure, rinse, repeat. Second, there's a bunch of things that are just out of your control. And what do you do with things that are out of your control? Absolutely nothing. There's nothing you can do. You just got to let it go. And that's the hard part. And that's the muscle that you develop over time. As a freelancer and a business owner for over 20 years, my life has been full of uncertainty and stress. And practicing letting it go has been the key. And it's easier to let go when you do have a plan and a vision. All you have is the data and the experience that you have right now. That's all you got to work with. Other than that, you got to let it go. And as you're going along that journey, pursuing the vision, which is going to morph and change as well, you have to live in the moment. And that's what inspired this whole thing here. As I'm walking here in Old Town Buda, and I saw a family in the backyard having a crawfish boil, young and old, just tons. I mean, they were living it up. And I'm like, they're living in the moment. And that's how you deal with it. That's part of it. Well, after this, I'm going to do my quarterly review, think about the vision, think about the goals, and do everything I just said. I'm a month late to my quarterly review, but it's okay. So have a crawfish boil.